In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Grammarly Chrome extension. Whether you're crafting an important email or refining a school assignment, Grammarly is a fantastic tool that helps you polish your writing effortlessly. It's easy to do, and I'm here to guide you through each step. To begin, make sure you have Google Chrome open on your computer. This step is crucial because the Chrome Web Store, where we will find the Grammarly extension, can only be accessed via the Google Chrome browser. Once you have Chrome open, go ahead and navigate to the Chrome Web Store. You can do this by typing chromewebstor.google.com into the address bar at the top of your browser and pressing enter. Now that you're in the Chrome Web Store, what you need to do next is locate the Grammarly extension. You can find it quickly by using the search bar located in the top left corner of the Web Store page. Click on that search bar, type in Grammarly, and press enter. This action will bring up a list of results related to your search query. You should see the Grammarly extension appear as one of the top results. When you find Grammarly, the next step is to install it. To do this, simply click on the blue button that says Add to Chrome. It's typically located next to the extension's name. Clicking this button initiates the installation process. Shortly after, a pop-up window will appear asking for your confirmation to add the extension. Here, you'll see information about the permissions the extension requires. Don't worry, this is standard procedure for all Chrome extensions. If you're ready to proceed, click on Add Extension. This step is essential because it grants Grammarly the necessary permissions to function as you write. Once you've added the extension, you'll find its icon in the top right corner of your Chrome browser. It looks like a green circular G. This tells you that the installation was successful and that Grammarly is now active. The next thing you'll want to do is set up your Grammarly account. Click on the newly appearing Grammarly icon, and a prompt will guide you through the sign-in process. If you already have a Grammarly account, simply sign in with your credentials. If not, you'll need to create an account, which is quick and straightforward. Now, you're all set up. As you start typing in text fields across various websites, you'll notice Grammarly spring into action, providing real-time suggestions and helpful tips. It's like having a personal editor who's always there to guide you, ensuring your writing is precise and polished. Follow these steps, and you'll be on your way to more effective writing with Grammarly right at your fingertips in no time. Happy writing,